Hi, if you are still thinking whether to learn Power Query or not, these are 5 powerful reasons as to why you should be learning Power Query if not already done. Let's look at some of the reasons. The first key reason is it is very cost effective, meaning Power Query is inbuilt in Excel. There is no additional license that is required. It is very much inbuilt within Excel. It doesn't require any new add-ons to be included, and it is part of the existing M365 license, Microsoft 365 license. So there is no incremental cost for you to get this tool or get this tool running for you. The second powerful reason is it is having very versatile data loading, meaning the input source, the input source for loading data into Power Query is virtually anything. You can load directly from an application. You can load from Excel or CSV. It also provides ODBC, SharePoint. It can load data from various sources and transform the files for you. And the most important aspect is that the data gets refreshed with new files. Let's say that you are processing the Excel files in a folder, and you are either adding new files to the folder or you are changing the folder. The analysis that you have done remains intact. You just need to change the data input settings, and once done, all your analysis will stay intact. And this is very, very powerful when you look at doing analysis which you will continue to do as you change for a new month, or as you add for a new month or a new week or a new day. This becomes very, very powerful. The third reason as to why you should learn, and this is especially for auditors, is it is very, very transparent, meaning the steps that is made to clean the data or perform the actions are very, very visible, are very clear. It is probably a layman's way of looking at the actions. You need not have to know complicated macros, or worry about how changing a particular thing will impact the other things. It's just very, very straightforward, easy steps. And this becomes very important when you have to demonstrate for the purpose of audit documentation, or if you are from finance, or if you are from a function where this number is used for any other purpose. Then you can demonstrate the steps that are taken to arrive at those value. So transparency from an auditor's perspective is a very, very critical requirement, and Power Query solves that. The next important reason is user-friendly interface. You just need to have drop downs. It is once you start learning, it is very, very straightforward. Click, click, click. Yes, if you are someone who wants to do complicated steps, then you also have a option to do coding. It is interfaced to Python, and the language what Power Query uses is called as the M language. Right, so it is again a programming language. It is not very simple, very easy to learn, but with LMLs like Copilot, or you have your quite a few applications are there now which can help you write M functions. So while it is user friendly, it's just click and drop. You also have the option to code in case you are looking at complicated steps or complicated processes. The next reason why it is important is, and this is very, very important, meaning once you learn Power Query, you can easily upskill yourself with Power BI. Meaning it is the same engine. Power Query is the same engine or the same database engine that Power BI also uses. So once you learn Power Query, you also learn the major part of Power BI. Of course, Power BI, you also have a lot of visualizations, and there are few more steps that are required to master Power BI. But Power Query is a major component of Power BI, and once you learn how to load the data, once you learn how to transform the data, you can learn how to visualize using Power BI. So these are some of the five key reasons why you should learn Power Query if you have not already started to learn. Thank you.